Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Kodi Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Guru Pyo. So regarding Agnihotra, okay, I'll mix both Tamil and English. Mati edukra because Tamil mattum iddu bayandradinga. We have all mixed crowd irukannala. I will take both the languages. Okay. Now Agnihotra abin solumbodhu, it's a very small yagam which we can perform every day. Every day you can do this Agnihotra. Okay. So there have been people in that is a Nitya Karma of any person, any household was Agnihotra. So the question might arise to you, can women do Agnihotra? பெண்கள் அக்னிஹோத்திரம் பண்ணலாமா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கேள்வி உங்களுக்கு மனசுல வரலாம். பெண்கள் தான் பண்ணணும்னு வேதங்கள்ல சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கு. Every household, the woman has to do the Agnihotra. A woman who does not do Agnihotra or who has not studied Vedas are not fit to even get married. Okay, this is what our Vedas have told. In between, certain things were prohibited for women and Agnihotra became one of them. Okay, ஏன்னா when பெண்கள் நம்ம செஞ்சோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா we do it perfectly. இல்லையா? அப்படிதானே? Anything we do, we'll do it perfectly. More, kindly excuse men, we'll do it really perfectly. The reason is we have that commitment. We get up early in the morning. We do this work, everything. So likewise, Agnihotra also can be performed by women. And indrik kalatin kattayam adu. That is today, we have so much of pollution all around us. So for the purification of process, Agnihotra is a must in every household. So from the beginning, it has been my vision that every house, if we are going to do the Agnihotra, then definitely none of this pandemics will enter because all the viruses will get killed. Okay, so that's why we have been promoting it from the beginning. Like, for the past 5 to 6 years, I've taken big Kalyana Mandapam and done massive Agnihotra programs, everything. Okay, but the only thing is that people should do it. Everyone is interested in learning, but none of them are interested in doing it every day because it has to be done exactly at the time of sunrise. If you're not doing it exactly on the time of sunrise, it is not Agnihotra. Got it? So there is an app. I will share the link also in all our groups. So the app, or you can even touch your weather in your smartphone. If you touch the weather part of it, you will get the display of the exact sunrise and exact sunset. Okay, so what you have to do is just 5 minutes before the sunrise or 5 minutes before the sunset, get things ready. So all you need is a vessel like this, a copper vessel like this. So it should be copper. Okay, mine has become very old by doing continuous Agnihotra. Palapalannu oru alagana oru copper vessel. Even you can go in for a smaller size. But if you intend doing it every day, buy a good quality, a sturdy one like this. So it will cost you around 700 to 800 rupees. Okay, and then all we need is this cow dung cake, Pasunchana Varati. Okay, made out of desi cow. This mine is homemade. So that's why it doesn't have the shape and everything. We take the pasunchani and we do it, put a plastic paper and make it as thin as possible so that it catches fire easily. Okay, when you make it thin, it will break like this, no issues. Okay, ma? So this is all you need, and few rice grains. So like this, you keep it in a cup, and rice, arisi. Okay. So the arisi, brown rice is preferred in the sense that kaikuttalas. Nowadays we are getting it. So get the real rice. All that is needed. And then ghee. So desi ghee again. Okay. So you need to have some ghee. These are the requirements, nothing else. Get the purest form of ghee. காரணம் என்னன்னா நம்ம வந்துட்டு கோவிலுக்கு தானே சாமிக்கு தானேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு பேக்ஸ் வாங்கி யூஸ் பண்றோம் இன்னைக்கு நிறைய பேர். Please avoid that. Avoid buying the cheapest ghee. Buy the costliest ghee. The desi ghee costs you around 1,200 rupees per liter. If you buy 1 liter, it will come around 5 to 6 months. Okay, so when you're doing this, do it with a total commitment, and you will have the benefits. Your house already having done so many pujas, the house is like temple. And when you do this every day, the fragrance inside your house will be divine, so divine. Okay. This can be done inside the house or even outside the house. Once you get to know all these things, go into the network and search for this. There are so many farming done with Agnihotra ash. Even we collect the ash and keep. You would have heard about the Union Carbide episode which happened few years ago. So everyone got affected except for one family where there was a coma taking place. Did you see that? Do you remember that news? Long ago, it happened around 80, I think it must be 82 or 80, 85. It must be 85. Okay. So not only that, this will purify the nuclear radiations around us. That is the flame from this will purify the nuclear radiations around. Suppose say I'm having wheezing. I'm not able to perform this. Please do not worry about it. In due course, your wheezing will subside. It's a proven fact. Okay, so you light up the Agnihotra. When it is fuming, you just leave that place, but let it spread around the air and purify your lungs. After some time, naturally, your body will get used to it and you will not have any wheezing and all those things. It will also happen. And the third thing I want to say is, you can place that Agnihotra ash on your forehead. Right? Again, another benefit of using Agnihotra, that what to do with the burnt ashes. You can use it on your forehead. You can put it for your plants. It's a beautiful manure. There is, you might have seen the WhatsApp, but what it was. There is a family in Australia. They are doing Agnihotra farming. Okay. So you find the whole family doing 24/7. They're doing this and put this to the land. They say their land was full of rocks. And after the Agnihotra was done, it became soft. And also they are comparing the vegetables and fruits got from their farm and the neighbor farm. These fruits are bigger and tastier. Even in our house, we put it to the Wilba tree. So we do not have a vegetable tree. So you put the ash to the trees and vegetables you have. If you have a upstairs garden also, you can use it. And one more benefit I'll tell you, for eczema or any kind of skin disorder. So this is also we have proven. It's a proven fact. Eczema or the skin disorders in the ash odor, mix little more ghee and just a pinch of turmeric, haldi, and apply on the skin. The skin rashes or whatever, it will get clear. And adding more onto it, even a pinch, you can put it in your mouth and conceal. Okay, I do it. Just after once it's all over, just put just a pinch on your mouth and conceal. It's an aushadam because it's going to have so much of vibrations. Is it clear to you, ma? Now, We have already shared the mantras in Tamil as well as in English. So what is the mantra? In the morning, now I'm not teaching you the Gayatri Vyakriti Agnihotra. We'll do it at a later stage. First, you do the basic Agnihotra. Morning, as soon as the sun rises, you'll be offering the 2 ahutis, just 2 ahutis. So you take a pinch of rice in your hand like this. Don't put it with this like this. Take it in your hand. So I'm using these 2 fingers. Okay, take it in your hand like this and put it into the fire when it is burning. Morning, Suryaya Swaha. Suryaya Idam Na Mama. Got it? Suryaya Swaha. Swaha means, what is Swaha? It's becoming a word or a jolly word. Swaha paditango. Okay, it's not like that. Swaha means take and multiply. Take and multiply. Swaha. Swada means take. So when you're doing the Pitru Karyam, we'll say Swadha. Take it. Swaha means take and multiply. So I'm offering few rice grains. You take it and multiply. What a beautiful concept we have. So Swaha. Suryaya Swaha. Suryaya Idam. Idam means this. Na, not mine. This is not mine, it is yours. Suryaya Swaha. Suryaya Idam Na Mama. Okay, next is Prajapataye Swaha. Prajapataye Swaha. Prajapata is all the representatives, you can say, all around the world, the Devatas, ordained by Shiva. Daksha Prajapati, you must be knowing Daksha Prajapati. So, Prajapati, Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Na Mama. All rendu mantra. Okay, Suryaya Swaha, Suryaya Idam Na Mama. Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Na Mama. Rendu. After that, sit quietly there, chant Mahamrityunjaya mantra. Any other mantra you want to say, meditate for a few minutes on Aditya, get up and go and do the regular work. Evening, exactly at the sunset, when the sun is setting, the same process we are going to do. Okay. Now we are going to say Agnaye Swaha. Morning, Suryaya Swaha. Now Agnaye Swaha. Agnaye Idam Na Mama. This is not mine. Agni, please take it and multiply. Okay. Similarly, Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Na Mama. That's all. Evening, you can chant. If you have the habit of chanting Gayatri Mantra, you can do the Gayatri Mantra after offering it to. This is the Nitya Karma. It's my vision that every household should do it. Adhu in the pandemic situation, the atmosphere around you will be purified like anything. Please do it, because we have a lot of pollution, not only nuclear pollution, we have the mental pollution is so much these days. Mental pollution, people thinking bad about you, people casting eyes on you, all this is there. So everything will be removed by this process. Is it clear to you? Kapilama, tell me the time today. Actually, we started early. We'll chant Aditya Hridayam, then exactly at the sunset we'll put. Just look out for the sunset and put the message. Is it? We should be having around 5:50, I think. Kapila, just check out and put. Okay. I'll allow you to unmute. If you have any doubts, you can, one by one, you can ask. Any doubt regarding the process, I will demonstrate. Okay, Amma, Karpur can be used. Normally, I don't advise you to use Karpur because the Karpur we are getting is not the real one. We get the chemical Karpur, so which leaves a black color soot. So we do not advise you to have a Karpur. Okay, you can use a cotton wick. You can use a cotton wick, but instead I prefer to light up a lamp like this and hold this thing on this and light up. We don't even put the matchstick into it. This is considered to be the very, very purest form of this thing. We don't even use kuchi, that is the homa kuchi we have, no? That is sticks, wooden sticks. We don't use that also. Okay, we don't use that. We just, that's all. There'll be only 3 components inside. That is only 1 cow dung. Number 2 is ghee. Number 3 is rice grain. Number 4, it has to be in the copper vessel. When it is burning, this will melt. Okay, and this will react with the copper. All this thing will produce a combined gas will be produced. That is the speciality of Agnihotra. That is the gas that is purified. So only these things are here. Cow dung, rice, ghee, plus the copper. Nothing else. Anything else, Amma? Can we do it on a period day? Next question should be that. Come on. Nobody asked. Can we do it when we have our periods? Yes, you can do it.
I did it today, Ma, and I have it today.
Yeah, good. I got a witness now. So you have your periods, can you do? No issues. You are still under the sun. You're still under Agni. Number 3. Anything else? Pregnant women, we don't advise to do. Pregnant women, because Agni is ferocious. So when you're carrying a baby, we don't advise you to invoke Agni during pregnancy, just during pregnancy. Once pregnancy is over, you are delivered the baby, you can do it. Should I have a bath in the morning? All these questions I have faced. Food restrictions like non-veg. Though I am a vegetarian, just checking. So this question, I've been answering from the beginning, okay? So if you consider non-vegetarian just as a food, just ignore it and go ahead. If you feel guilty, stop non-veg. Okay, anything. I don't forcefully stop anything because I find when people stop it forcefully, after some time, the craving for non-veg is more than the craving for the puja. They prefer to have non-veg. So better do the puja. Okay, so if better do the puja and then whatever has to leave you will leave you. Okay, right? So let us put that non-veg question at the back. So keep doing whatever you have to do. Then let's see what happens to non-veg. Seriya, that's my answer. So do this. See, if I say you should not do it, then you will stop doing it. Do this, nothing is there. Okay, even if you're eating non-veg, you are still under the same sun. So we are doing it for the sun. You cannot escape from the sun and eat non-veg. Come on. Next question. Something I saw, but I missed the chat. Should we take bath before doing? Yes. Why morning Surya Dev and evening Agni Dev? Deepak. Thanks, just to convince other family members I checked. Okay, Radhika, it's good. Please remember my mother. No, my mother's. Okay. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. See, the Nitya, I'll answer one by one. Okay, can the time limit be 2 or 3 minutes later or after sunrise? Like, no, you attempt to do exactly at the sunrise or sunset. Okay, you attempt to do during the sunrise or the sunset. 1 or 2 minutes is not in our hands. So even anybody, your watch will be showing 1 minute later, my watch will be having something else different. So 1 or 2 minutes, it's allowed. Okay. So even you can take 3, 4, 5 minutes before and after. That's fine. Okay. The other thing I wanted to say, that is Nitya Agnihotri. See, when we die, Okay, because Ajit has asked a question. When we die, even on the 16th day or 11th day ceremony, we do a homa at home for purification. And when we die, the body is given to fire. Isn't it? Body is given to fire. That is the actual ritual in the Hindu Dharma. So body has to be given to fire. So when the body is given to fire for a Nitya Agnihotri, Agni fumes will consume you like anything and it will purify you. This has been said. Okay, so have I answered the question? Yes. So there's no Titu for Agni, nothing. Everything is up. So Agni is the one Bhuta, Panjabhutam of Panchabhuta, one cannot contaminate Agni. One cannot contaminate Agni. And when Agni is invoked, we say it burns with 7 tongues. Kali, Karali, Sudumra Varna, Vispulingina, all this. So it burns with so many tongues. You would have seen different layers of Agni. So we say different devatas are invoked. Okay. So it is purifying. So there is no other restriction for that. Okay. Morning I'm doing, evening I'm not able to do. It's okay. Okay. So morning I'm doing, evening I've gone out, I'm not able to do. See, there's one attitude, suppose I'm not able to do. There was a person who I taught. The person said, suppose 1 or 2 days, Geeta, if I miss, what will happen? So I'm not doing at all. At least once in your lifetime you do. Okay, so people have all sort of funny thoughts, suppose I leave it in between. Rajani has asked now, can we skip on some days when we are not? Yes, sure. That's what I'm saying. Do whenever possible. Everything is like that. Do whenever it is possible for you. Suppose say we have a function in the family. Suppose say we have gone for a condolence. We come home late. We are missing the time. It's okay. Next day morning, you do it. Okay, so there is no such thing that if you miss one day, it's going to be a sin or anything. First, remove that thought from your mind. It's not at all a sin if you miss one day. Do it as much as possible. Okay? Okay. Suppose say, why is it to worship Surya in the morning? Okay, I'll answer that question. Why do you worship Surya in the morning? During the sunrise, the sun is the protector. So morning, we are under the energy of the sun. In the night, we are under the protection of Agni Deva. Those days, they used to light lamps. Nammaloda earlier culture pathinga appdinu sonnaka, when a child was born, they used to light up a lamp. Okay, and that lamp, they used to keep burning till the person grows up and goes to the funeral pyre. That was our culture. For every child, there will be a light lamp burning in the house. And they used to pour the oil and keep that burning. And when the person grows and he dies, it will go along with the person to light up the funeral pyre. This was our culture. In the night time, they didn't have electricity. And even for us, in the night time, the protection of Agni Deva is in. Okay, so during the daytime, the Surya is the protector, and during the night time, the Agni Deva is the protector. So that's why we are offering to the Agni in the night. Okay. The turmeric, that's all, ma. A pinch of ghee, to the ash. You're going to add the ash and ghee, turmeric, and vibhuti for skin disorder. Yes, sunrise and sunset, it is there in your weather. You can take it. We used to post when before. Nowadays, someone asked me that question. In all our groups, we used to post. We used to post the Sankalpam, everything. And slowly I found that most of the people are not doing so. I stopped posting. That's all. What to do? How long to pull? So I stopped posting it. because people stop doing it. Once again, if you want, we'll post. If we say our volunteers are so good, they will immediately post. Kapila, she will post because all that we want is we want people to do it. Okay. Gayatri mantra or Mrityunjaya mantra, it depends upon your time and your convenience. Normally we chant 3 times. Minimum is 3 times. Okay. No. This is a physical puja. Okay, it's a physical puja. So there is a mental puja we have been telling you, but this is physical puja. You have to perform it physically. Right. Amma, time put it, Amma. Facing east, Amma.
Yes, ma, 6:10.
6:10. No, we have still 40 minutes. So I'll do the demo. 6:10, let whoever has, let them do in their house. Okay, ba? Mom, should we do it? That's what I said, Ma, you can do it in the center of your house, in the hall. You can do it in your garden. You can do it in your upstairs, that open terrace. Any way you want, you can do it. Not in your puja room alone. But we find it very convenient to keep it in the puja room because morning we'll be doing the puja as soon as we perform the puja. One question I have not answered. That is having bath. One big question nowadays in ladies, among the ladies is, should I have a bath before doing all this? I'll just tell you what I do. Only that much I can tell. Morning, as soon as you complete all your brushing, etc., pour 2 buckets of water on you and come and sit because morning is Brahma Muhurta is the time we are using for all our puja. We are going to do the Agnihotra. You're chanting Lalita Sahasranama. Why not pour 2 buckets of water on you and come and sit? You'll feel fresh. You'll feel pure. No, ma, I am not used to that. And again, go for another bath at 10 o'clock. Okay, I'm not used to it. It's okay, go ahead. What can I say? See, these are the hard people, I don't know, something or other, idella vichittu, idella na kulikam pannalama, appa na kulikile. So I better not have bath. I better not do Agnihotra. So find the reason to do. Then you'll be able to do all the other things. If you have a strong desire that I must do it, everything is secondary. Right? Okay, va? So, 2 சொம்பு தண்ணி ஊத்திட்டு வந்து உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு அக்னி கண்டிப்பா சாண்டிங் பண்றோம். அது என்ன இருக்கு அந்த நைட்டில? ஓகே, நல்ல ஃபார்மலா அழகா ஒரு புடவை கட்டிலோ ஒரு சுடிதார் போட்டுட்டு வந்து உட்கார்ந்து பூஜை எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா எவ்வளவு அழகா. அந்த காலத்துல சினிமால தான் அதெல்லாம் கட்டும். கௌசல்யா சுப்ரஜான் காஃபி கொடுப்பாங்க லேடிஸ். இன்னைக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம வீட்டு மென் தான் நம்ம காஃபி கொடுக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அப்படியே பெல் அடிச்சுட்டு சாம்பிராணி புகையெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு லேடிஸ் வந்தா எவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கும். நம்மளாம் அப்படி இருந்தா எவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கும். ஒவ்வொரு குடும்பம் ரியலி சட்ட லக்ஷ்மி கடாட்சமா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? So let's not give that also as an excuse. At any cost, I want all of you to do it. Okay, ma? Okay. So I will start mine. Then we'll chant Aditya Hrudayam. I'll turn the camera. Can you see? Yes? Yes. Can you see now? Very simple.
Yes, ma.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yes. So I light up the small lamp. I'll smear ghee onto this. So I have 2 pieces So I'll smear ghee onto it. I'll just hold it in the lamp. So this process will start some 5 minutes before the sunrise or sunset. My AC is on, so it's not lighting up easily, but this is the process. So I light up like this. If you want, you can keep a wick, that is a thiri vechikalam, cotton wick. That's no, just a drop of ghee. Smear it on the havis. That is, the havis here is rice grains. See to that the grains are full grains. And the mona it should not be broken. So the whole rice grains. Okay. So smear it. Now I'm taking it. Om Agnaye Swaha. Agnaye Idam Namama. Prajapataye Swaha. Prajapataye Idam Namama. So that's it. இவ்வளவுதாம்மா பண்ணலாமா பண்ணக்கூடாதா? Can amma in the end can we add sambar? No, ma, nothing should be added. Okay, nothing, no sambrani, no sudam, no nothing. I don't even advise you to use the wooden sticks, anything, nothing. That's all, only these things. That's all. It'll be burning like for another 10 minutes and it'll beautifully burn and the fragrance will be so beautiful. Now itself I started. That's all. Just this very quick ritual which will give you a lot of benefits. Just one ahuti, ma. Just one ahuti. Just one ahuti. I mean, once, like one for Agni, that's all, it's over. You don't have to repeat it. Agnaye once, Agnaye Swaha, Agnaye Idam Namama. Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Namama. Okay, Suryaya Swaha. The same thing you'll be doing in the morning. Suryaya Swaha, Suryaya Idam Namama. Just that, like that, you can come. Try doing it. Send me the feedback. Please do it. Tell me the feedback. Suppose I miss sunrise or sunset. Okay, what can I do? You still do it, but it is not counted as Agnihotra. But there will be some purification. That is a physical purification. But exactly at the sunrise and exactly at the sunset will give you an immense benefit. Because when the sun is rising up, there are particular radiations which are emitted from the sun. So you will be gaining that. It is, I didn't make it. It is simple, Amma. It is simple. Only thing in future states you can do with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhu Swaha, Om Bhuva Swaha, Om Suva Swaha, Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha. or a few add panikla. Since it is an earlier stage, I'm not giving it. In future, you can do it. Once you're well versed, you can give the Gayatri out. Okay. Anything else? Any doubt? Tremendous benefits are there. Your house will be like temple. Beautiful fragrance will be there. Beautiful energy will be there. Negativities will be taken out. Okay, even any black magic, anything has been done in the family, it will be removed. Shalya, Shunyam, anything will be removed. Okay, we'll chant Aditya Hridayam. Since all of you have joined, one of you can post it here in this board here, Aditya Hridayam, in Sanskrit and Tamil. Aditya Hridaya Stotram. Take a picture or so that everyone will take it. You can also post in all the Lalita group. Others will have, the seniors will have Lalita group. We'll chant Aditya Hridayam. I want all of you to do it on the Pongal day, 14th of January. Okay, so all of us will be doing on 14th of January, all over Tamil Nadu, all over India. Makara Sankranti. So take Aditya Hridaya Stotram. Amma, have you posted, Amma? Someone post, Ma? If you already have the script, you can take. Aditya Hridaya Stotram, just like how Vishnu Sahasranamam is in Mahabharatam. Okay, so in Mahabharatam, a part of Mahabharatam is Vishnu Sahasranam Stotram. When Bhishma looks at the Vishwarupa Darshan of Mahavishnu and chants Vishnu Sahasranam. Here, Aditya Hridayam was again given by Agastya Maharishi to Rama. So it was given by Agastya Maharishi to Rama. Okay, so it's a very powerful stotram which is present in Ramayana. So it is a part of Ramayana. So as powerful as Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra. So when he was going for the war against Lanka, Agastya Muni advised him to chant this Aditya Hridayam because see, those days a war used to start when the sun was rising up and the war will end when the sun goes down. So the day was calculated with sun. So every day is a yuddha. For us also, every day is a yuddha. So in the yuddha, to win, we take hold of this Aditya Hridaya. Surya. Shall we start, Amma? Sejal, welcome, Sejal. I am happy to see you back. Okay, we'll start. I will chant it once. For the sake of newcomers, I will give some time so that you can repeat. Okay. Sure, Lakshmi Amma, I will repeat to you. Okay. Tatho yuddha parishrantam samare chintaya stitam Ravanam chagrato drushtva yuddhaya samupastitam. Repeat. Repeat along with me. Tatho yuddha parishrantam samare chintaya stitam Ravanam chagrato drushtva yuddhaya samupastitam. Dhaivataischa samagamya drushtumabhyagato ranam Uphagamya bravidramam Agastyo Bhagavan Rishihi. Amma, Lalita Sahasranamam groupலையும் போட்டுருங்கம்மா. உங்க புக் அப்படியே போட்டோ எடுத்து Lalita Sahasranamam 3 குரூப்லயும் போட்டுருங்கம்மா. ஸ்கிரிப்ட் போட்டுட்டேங்கம்மா. குட். வாட்ஸ்அப்ல இருக்குமா பாத்துக்கோங்க. I am repeating the second verse. दैवतैश्च समागम्य दृष्टुमभ्यागतोरणम् उपगम्या ब्रवीद्रामम् अगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः। नेक्स्ट वन। राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनम् येन सर्वा नरिन्वत्स समरे विजयिष्यसि। Repeat once, then you can chant with me. राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनम् येन सर्वा नरिन्वत्स समरे विजयिष्यसि। आदित्य हृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनम् जयावहं जपे नित्यम् अक्षयं परमं शिवम्। आदित्य हृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनम् जयावहं जपे नित्यम् अक्षयं परमं शिवम्। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनम् चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम्। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनम् चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम्। रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतम् पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरम्। रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतम् पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरम्। सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येष तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः येष देवासुरगणा लोकान् पाति खभस्थिभिः। सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येष तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः येष देवासुरगणा लोकान् पाति गभस्तिभिः। येष ब्रह्मा च विष्णुश्च शिवस्कन्दः प्रजापतिः। महेन्द्रो धनधक्कालो यमः सोमो ह्यपां पतिः। महेन्द्रो येष ब्रह्मा च विष्णुश्च शिवस्कन्दः प्रजापतिः। महेन्द्रो धनधक्कालो यमः सोमो ह्यपां पतिः। I've already uploaded ma Aditya Hridayam for learners நம்மளோட யூடியூப் சேனல்ல இருக்கு, பார்த்து கத்துக்கலாம் நீங்க. ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் சும்மா உங்களை விட்டுட்டு படிக்க கூடாதுங்கிறதுக்காக I'm reading it. I'm just giving you a hint. ஓகே, சும்மா உங்களை விட்டுட்டு நாங்க மட்டும் படிச்சா நல்லா இருக்காது இல்லையா? ஆல்ரெடி லேர்ன் பண்ணவங்க, அதனால I'm giving you a practice. பிதரோ வசவசாத்யா யஸ்வினௌ மருதோ மனுஹு वायुर्वह्निः प्रजा प्राण ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः पितरो वसवः साध्या ह्यश्विनौ मरुतो मनुः वायुर्वह्निः प्रजा प्राण ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः आदित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः पूषा गभस्तिमान् सुवर्ण सदृशो भानुर् हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः हरिदश्व सहस्राक्षिर् सप्त सप्तिर्मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मथनः शम्भुः त्वष्टा मार्ताण्ड अंशुमान् हिरण्यगर्भः शिशिरः तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोदितेः पुत्र शङ्कः शिशिरनाशनः It's a big song, so ஒரு தடவை மட்டும் அப்படியே ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிட்டு போறேன். व्योमनाथस्थमो भेदी रुग्यजुस्साम पारगः घनवृष्टिरपा मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथी प्लवङ्गमः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजो रक्त सर्वभवोद्भवः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्व भावनः तेजसामभि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन् नमोऽस्तुते See, the one who is doing Agnihotra and one who is reading Aditya Hridaya Stotram need not look at your horoscope at all. Okay, nothing will affect you. Horoscope la எந்த டைம்னு நீங்க பார்க்க வேண்டிய அவசியமே கிடையாது. Whether it is Shani Dishai or Yelra Shani or Etra Shani or Onbadra Shani, nothing will affect you. Okay, so Shani will not have impact on you. Not only Shani, any planet. So ill effect of all the planets will be removed. That's what we say. Rakshatra Drahadarana. So he is the Adhipo. He is the Adhipo. He is the master of all the grahas. So when you hold on to the master, the menials, the laborers will not do anything. So the master is the instructor. So we are holding the Aditya. Okay. Namah Purvaya Giraye Paschimaya Draye Namaha. Jyotir Gananam Pataye Dhinadhipataye Namaha. Jayaya Jaya Bhadraya Hadyashvaya Namo Namaha. Namo Namah Sahasramsho Adityaya Namo Namaha. Okay, how many of you, I'm stopping here. How many of, we will recite the rest after that. How many of you are having for Agnihotra now to do it ready? Anyone having it with you now? Keeping it ready and want to do it now? Nobody? Raise your hands. If you have the kit with you, raise your hands. Padma Priya, yes, very good. Anyone else? Padma Priya, yes. Muthulakshmi, yes. Ena, you light up now. Anubalaji, very good. Yes. So you light up now because we are getting closer to the sunset. We'll offer the Ahudi. Can I spotlight someone? Yaar pandra the spotlight pannatuma? Yaar vechirkeenga? Ungaloda camera turn pannikonga. Anubalaji, can you show? Just light up your thing, ma. Anubalaji. Kapila. Kapila, are you there? Kapila.
Yes, Amma, I can light up.
Okay. I'll put you on spotlight.
Okay.
Kapila, you start lighting. Just all of you start lighting. We'll conclude the part afterwards. Karpuram endama. Mute panikonga, please.
Sure.
Karpuram endama, Karpuram endam. Ena Karpuram original kadeyadu namakku varudhu. This Kapila Muthuswami. Kapila, show your face, Kapila. Anubalaji, I can see. Kapila. Yeah, Kapila, no, Nitya Agnihotri. See, they are all doing it regularly, Kapila, no. Even if I'm having a class, they will go in between and do it and come. In my house, my son does it. Kapila, unoda video varliya? Yes, Kapila, unoda video varla. Okay, I'll spotlight Anubalaji. Yes, Sama. Good. Hold it in the lamp. See, all of you see. Nothing will happen. Just hold it. Nothing. But your thing is very fat. Thick. Hold it, Amma. Nicely hold it. Put some more ghee. On the tip, nariya ghee put. Yes, put some more ghee there. Yes. Today alone, you put so much. The rest of the days, you need not put so much. Okay. and make it thin. If it is thin, like you know how it was mine, it will catch fire easily. I suppose this is from Giri. They use it for big homa. So that time it will catch fire. We put it underneath. For Agnihotra, it is too thick. Please do it, okay? Just don't see the demo. So if you're near you have to take little more time. 6-5 2-3 more minutes are there. Has it caught fire? Yes. Yes, good. All of them. Once it catches fire, it will burn. Anyone else is lighting? I'm just scrolling and seeing people. Anyone else who raised your hands? Switch on your videos, those who are doing.
No, Hari Om, it is not at 6:15 now.
It's not, let it light up, Amma. 6:15. 6:15 alla. 6:05.
Oh, சரிங்க. இப்ப பண்ணலாங்கம்மா அம்மா.
ஆமா, இப்ப லைட் அப் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் உங்களுக்கு 6:02 ஆயிடுச்சு டைம். நான் டைம் பார்த்துட்டு தான் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணேன்.
ஓகே, ஓகே.
ஏன்னா லைட் அப் ஆகவே உங்களுக்கு டைம் எடுக்கும். 2-3 minutes before only you have to start. அப்பதான் எரியும் நல்லா. It has to, I mean, fire and glow. Kapila, are you there? And show your video. Light ஆயிட்டா? Radha, yes, Radha ma. Radha also I can spotlight. Anuд வந்து பெரிய வரட்டியா போயிடுது. So, yes, I'm spotlighting. Good. யார் இது? This is Radha Vivekanandan. Yes. Pour some more ghee, Radha, it will light up. Rajani ma, yes. So Radha has used wick, okay? So you can also use a wick. Yeah, Padma. I'll show Padma. Padma, you show your Agnihotra. I was looking out for your Agnihotra. It was so beautiful. It was burning, right, Padma? Padma ji, please. Ah, yes. Yes, yes, yes. See, beautiful. Okay. Now we can offer the Ahudi. It's exactly the sunset. See, she's sitting in the open place, Padma. Okay. Shall we offer the Ahudi? So when you're offering the Ahudi, dip it in ghee and off. Smear with ghee and off. Padma Priya. I'll put everyone on spotlight. Okay. Good, Padma Priya. Very good. Now, Arisi edutittu podu. Agnaye Swaha. Put rice. Agnaye idam namama. Once more. Prajapataye Swaha. Prajapataye idam namama. Only once. Avladha. Okay, that's all. So that's all. Agnihotra is over. This is Rajani Mas. Okay. always know, Rajnima, when you're placing it on the wooden stool, place a tile or something below so that the stool will not get damaged. Place a tile. See, I have kept a tile here, right? So place a tile so that the thing on the floor also place a tile or a thick something like that, stony thing, and then place it so that the flooring will not get damaged because doing it every day. What happened to Anu Balaji? Yes, finally Anu Balaji. Anu, still it is not caught fire. Enough, Anu, you place it there, it will burn. Anu, place it there, it will burn. Slowly, not the other way around. Bring it to the top. Yeah, now place. Yeah, that's it. Yes, it will burn. Now it will go. You have a smaller plate. See, these are the mistakes we are doing. So it can be correct. No, you do it now. You will have a smaller plate so that all the rice grains will not get soaked in ghee. Got it? Offer, Anu, offer ma. Yes, from the place it is. Yeah. Say, Agnaye Swaha, Agnaye Idam Namama. Put. Next Ahuti. Prajapataye Swaha. Next Ahuti ma. Take some more. Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Namama. Good. That's all. Okay. Okay, ma'am. We'll complete this Aditya Hridayam and we'll complete the session because we should not stop in between. We'll complete the Aditya and Mahamrityunjaya. For a few more lines are there. Nama Ugraya Viraya Sarangaya Namo Namaha. Where we left, from where we Namah Padma Prabodaya Marthandaya Namo Namaha. Brahmesha Nachuteshaya Suraya Dityavachase. Hasvate Sarva Hakshaya Raudraya Vapushe Namaha. Taptachami Karabhaya Panhaye Vishwakarmane. So Surya is the Vishwakarma. That is the creator of whole world. Namastamo Bhinignaya Ruchaye Lokasakshine. Nashayatyesha Bhaibhutam Tadeva Srujate Prabhuhu. Payatyesha Tapatyesha Varshatyesha Gabhastibhihi. Yesha Supteshu Jagati अस्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः। येष चैवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणाम्। वेदाश्च क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूनां फलमेव च। यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्व एष रविप्रभुः। येन मापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च। कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव। पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम्। ये त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि। अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वदिष्यसि। So let Ravana be killed this Shanam. There is Ravana in every one of us. Yeva muktva tato gastyo jagama cha yatha ghatam. Ye tat shrutva mahatejo nashcha shoko bhavattada. Dharayamasa suprito Raghavah prayathatmavan. Adityam prekshaya japtva tu param harsham avaptavan. Trirachamya suchir bhutva dhanuradhaya viryavan. Ravanam prekshya hrushtatma yuddhaya samupagamat. Sarvayat nena mahatavadhe tasya dhruto bhavat. Atha raviradavan nirikshaya ramam mudita manaf paramam prahrishyamanaha. निशिचरपति संक्षयं विदित्वा सुरगणमध्यगतो वचस्वरेति So see how beautifully Agastya Muni is guiding us. We've been meditating on Agastya Muni when doing Lalita Sahasranama class. So one more hymn given by Agastya Muni. So Agastya Muni is the one who brought Lalita Sahasranama to the earth. So again, from Agastya Muni, we are reciting Aditya Hridayam. So full version of Aditya Hridayam, I have uploaded Amma. Aditya Hridayam search பண்ணுங்க நம்ம YouTube linkலயே இருக்கு. And today's also we'll be posting so that you can learn from this. Okay. Now we'll chant Mahamrityunjaya Mantram for the Loka Kshemam. Let the whole world be healed, spreading healing energy, doing it in the front of Agni. Om Trayambake Yajamake Sugandham Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrithat Trayambake Yajamake Sugandham Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrithat Trayambake Yajamake Sugandhim 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 Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrithat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sri Matre Namaha. Be blessed, all of you.